Welcome back to the next part of the session, that is soil mechanics related problems. We have discussed two problems in the last session. Now we are going to discuss from the third. A soil has a bulk density of 1.80 gram per cc at a water content of 5%. If void ratio remains constant, then its bulk density, what is the bulk density for a water content of 10%? That we need to know. So, what is the equation we can use of this? We know what is gamma d, dry unit weight. Gamma d is equal to gamma by 1 plus w. So, gamma already know 1.8 divided by 1 plus 5% means 0.05. So when you do 1.8 by 1.05, when you do the calculation, you will get it 1.714. Now this is the gamma d. Again, you know this equation, gamma d is equal to gamma plus 1 plus w. But here you know what is gamma d. We have already found. This is equal to what is gamma plus 1 plus, what is the water content? 10. That is 0.1%. So therefore gamma will be 1.714 into 1.1. So you will get the answer 1.88 gram per cc. Next question. The true and apparent specific gravity of a fully saturated soil. True means G. G will be 2.7 and apparent specific gravity means Gm. It is 2. The void ratio will be what? How we can find it? So we have to use a different equation actually. What is G actually? You know, gamma saturated by, what is apparent specific gravity? Gm, gamma saturated by gamma w, and that value it is already given as 2. And you know this equation, gamma saturated is equal to gamma w into G plus E by 1 plus E. That is gamma saturated by gamma w is equal to G plus E by 1 plus E. You know this ratio, that is why I have taken this in this side, because Gm is already given as 2. So 2 is equal to, G is given 2.7 plus E by 1 plus E. Therefore, when we calculate and cross multiply, you will get the answer 0.70. In a wet soil mass, air occupies 1/6 of its volume, and that is total volume by 6, and water occupies 1/3 of its volume, that is V by 3. We know what is E. E will be VV by Vs. So what is VV? We know what is VV. VA plus VW, that is V by 6 plus V by 3. So V by 6 plus, when we multiply with the 2 by 6, so it will be 3V by 6, that is V by 2, that is 0.5V. So V, what is Vs? Vs means from the total we have to subtract the VV. So what is the total V? V minus 0.5V, again it is 0.5V. So 0.5V by 0.5V, we will get the answer E. So void ratio will be 1. Next question. Specific gravity of a soil sample is 2.7. Its void ratio is 0.945. If it is fully saturated, what will be W? So for fully saturated, we know what is S value. S or SR, you can write both. S value is 1 and E value is 0.945 given, and G value is given 2.7. You have to find W, and the first relation E into S is G into W. Therefore W will be G into W. So W will be E into S by G. E into S is G into W. W will be E into S by G, that is 0.945 into 1 by 2.7. When you do in the calculation, you will get the answer 0.35, or every time it is expressed as percentage, so 35%. Next question. A sample of dry soil weighs 120 gram and its volume is 80 ml. If specific gravity is 2.8, what is the void ratio of the sample? So what is dry unit weight? Gamma W is gamma G gamma W by 1 plus E. Okay. And what is gamma D? Because it is the ratio of dry weight by total volume. It is given 120 by 80. So you will get the answer 1.5 gram per cc. So here we can insert the value 1.5 is equal to G is given 2.8, gamma W we know 9.81 by 1 plus E. So by doing this you will get the answer around 0.86 or 85. This is the void ratio. For a soil in natural state, void ratio is 1. Water content is 30%. G is 2.5. You have to find the value of S. It is very easy. E into S is G into W. E into S. You have to find. G means 2.5. W means 0.3. So S will be what? 0.75. That is 75%. So I hope everybody enjoyed the session. And we have discussed here 6 problems, and the further problems we will be discussing in the next session, and it will be more complicated also. So please watch all the sessions till the end. If you like the session, please click the like button, and if you have any genuine comments, please put in the comment box. And if you want the upcoming notifications of the channel, please click the bell icon nearby after subscribing the channel. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.